Linda, and I work at the Goochland Branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library. Today I want to let you know about a take and make that we have coming up, and it's a snowman. And you will pick up a little kit of supplies. This is going to be Thursday, January 19th. And in your kit you'll have some clay to make your snowman, and it'll have all the little pieces, some arms and a hat, a nose, and eyes. So come by the library, the Goochland Library, Thursday, January 19th, and pick up your kit to make a little snowman. And don't forget, the Goochland Storytime starts Thursday, January 12th. So come by and visit us and go to Storytime and get your take and make.